my Dodge. I've been working on this for 4 years. It's got a 360. I've made it super unreliable by throwing a bunch of performance parts on it. We're going to see if this can drive for, I don't know, 20 minutes straight. This is the furthest it's like probably driven in 19 years. We're currently getting the heater box to work so we could have at least a little bit of heat. There's no windows, but as long as you have wiper blades, it should be fine. It's legal. Totally. Don't count my word on it. Chrome gets you home. I mean, look at the gas pedal.
There's our person.
It made it home, no issues.